Hello and welcome back to What's There Everywhere. We are down in Las Cruces this weekend and we are staying at a hotel that we thought we'd do our second hotel review. This is the Hilton Garden Inn. It's just off I-25. We are about 45 minutes away from El Paso, Texas, but we're not going to go there this weekend. We're just going to stay here and make it a long, relaxing weekend. So we'll show you around a little bit inside.
Come join us.
It's beautiful when you walk in here. Seating area behind there. And over here they have a restaurant in the morning and the evenings. It smells good in here. There's a check-in desk over there. And bar and restaurant over here. Past the eating area for the restaurant is this seating area. Looks like maybe banquet rooms are back here. Let's take a look. Yeah, because they do weddings and stuff back here. And then back towards the front again. Seating area out here. It's a little warm out there, so I don't think we're going to sit out there and eat, but we'll come in here. And restrooms also behind the restaurant. And then back towards the front. We decided to come have a drink at the bar, and the gas for the beer taps was out. They keep some beer down in that cabinet right there, and then it's wine. They have a menu here, not real big for dinner, but this is a breakfast joint as well. Let me show you the menu. So kind of pricey, but you know, you're eating at a Hilton. So there you go. To show the little sundries room that they have here. The pavilion pantry, snacks and sundries. So pretty good. Let me scroll out. DF stuff, coffee maker that's broken, and some frozen stuff. I noticed when I was looking before, it's kind of pricey.
Hi there.
Hi. We were going to have dinner in the bar while we were sitting up there, but as I said, the selection of drink was lacking, and so we decided to get a pizza and just bring it up here, and thought we'd take a look and see what it was like. There's only one type of pizza. You don't get to choose the toppings or anything. Oh, hello. And of course they let us bring down the plates and everything, so looks great. Yum. The pool here is lovely. Across from the elevators down here on the first floor is this nice display. They do have a lot of sanitation spots here in this hotel as well. So here's the walk back towards the lobby. The back of the hotel, we found that if we park back here, it's a shorter walk to the elevators. So we'll show you this door. Here we go. The elevators are right through here. See? Much quicker. A vending machine with ice as well here. And they've got this on every floor. Also an ATM here if you need that. Just a quick walk down the hallway. Heads up, I always think when we stay here, the hallways smell a little weird. But we're gonna go downstairs because those ice creams that we looked at earlier are calling to us. Taking an elevator ride downstairs. Wanted to show how they are doing COVID here still. 6 feet. And they've got an elevator etiquette here as well.